Hey, I see you guys have the Sons of Liberty t-shirts on. Is this a new group? Can you guys explain what you guys are about?
It's a new up-and-coming organization. We're basically separating ourselves from all the other ones that are around. I mean, you know the ones, Patriot Prayer, Proud Boys. We're trying to get back to our core values again, man. Putting God first, family second, and basically coming out here and doing flag waves like this and not doing stand-down orders and stuff, and basically standing up against Antifa and basically just trying to get back out in here and make America great again, man, you know. But yeah, we're a new and up-and-coming group. Like today's our very first rally together, and I mean, we had a pretty good turnout for people here, and I just expected to go up from here, basically.
What do you guys plan on doing in the future?
We want to start doing more for the community, giving back to people, more fundraisers, more flag waves, just getting our name out there, but basically just give back to our community and tell them they're not alone and it's okay to stand up for what's right and be proud to be an American.
Awesome. Thank you.
Out here in Seaside, doing a Trump flag wave, Trump 2020, 4 more years.
You don't see no cop out here hanging me? Do you see a cop out here hanging me? I'm a free black man walking this free country and being happy. You guys got football players, basketball players. There's no more Negro League. There is real football. You ought to love that. I don't see how you guys can hate. I don't see no black people over there. Only black people I see over there when you guys got your hey.
Nobody wants you.
Talk to me.
Go up.
Talk to me. Hey, talk to me. You in the green. You in the green. Yeah, you right there. Talk to me. I am a black man. Talk to a black man.
No.
Talk to a black
Nobody
man.
wants you.
Talk to a black man.
Go back to your camp between the Hawthorne Bridge and the Morrison Bridge.
Hey, I got
Go camp out in your poop and syringes,
Hey,
heroin and crystal meth.
Talk to the black
Parasites. Go home.
Talk to a black
Parasites.
man.
Go home. Parasites.
Come
Go
kiss my
home.
feet.
Parasites.
Talk to
Go
a black
home.
man.
Parasites. Go home. And shave. And maybe
Don't get mad.
educate you.
What are you
Talk to the
getting
women.
mad for? Did you get him mad in here because he running his mouth? So what? He's telling the truth. Wait, hey, let me ask you this here. Show me one black guy that's getting slayed right now. Show me one black guy getting
Yeah, where's
slayed.
your black people?
Ain't nobody getting slayed.
Where's your
Show me one
Hispanics?
black guy getting slayed.
Huh?
Yeah.
Where's your Hellenics? Right here. Parasites. Go home.
Hey, ain't nobody over here getting slayed. Show me one black person is getting slayed. One. You can't answer that question. Shut up. You can't answer that question. What? I'll do it again. Come here. Hey. Hey. Hey.
Point it out, you pussy.
I'm a black man free. You can't even answer the question. Hey. Why you threaten people?
You come with 2 fingers?
No, I would come with 10 fingers. All
Mom
10.
comes with 2 fingers.
Hey, let me, hey.
The crosswalk's right over there, buddy. You go up there. You didn't yell, fuck you.
Hey.
Keep talking.
Thank you. We all free. We all free. We walk free. We act free. We do everything free. We're not slaves. Thank you. We're free black people walking this earth. We don't need all that bullshit what you guys are putting out. I'm free though. I'm a free motherfucker. I ain't about getting arrested. The cops are not gonna handcuff me. I'm free. Free. I'm free. I'm not a free. I'm free. I walk the face of this earth. At least I still walk. I walk. I walk. You want me to drop this and go for a walk? Are you gonna follow me? Are you gonna follow me? Huh? So you can do all this here, you can talk your bullshit, you can do all this here, but you don't want to answer my question. You want to answer your shit, but you don't want to answer mine. Well, let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk.
need to know you. You're just a parasite, bro.
Shut up, then. Shut up.
Hey, you're
Hey, you. Let's go.
people, shut up.
Hey, you on the side. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
What brings you out here today?
Bring me out here because I'm a free black man. I walk this free country. Ain't nobody out here slaving. Ain't nobody out here doing none of this stuff. What they're doing out here, it's a crime. They're doing something they should do. We're just holding a sign for Trump. So that's all we're doing. They're going to sit over there and they're going to say black matters, black do not matter. Just show me a bunch of black people over there, black matters. I'm just doing what I'm supposed to be doing. God put me out here on the face of this earth. God made me walk.
Let them come across the street.
Oh yeah, I am. I sure am. No, don't want to talk to you. Come over here. Don't want to say nothing to you. Come over here.
I'm surprised you're coming across the street, bro.
You should stay over there. You should stay over there. You should stay over there. No, don't say
Hey,
nothing.
take off your mask. Quit being a pussy.
I'm right here. I ain't going nowhere. I ain't scared. I am not scared. I'm a free
Quit
black
yelling, just
man.
go over here and talk.
I'm a free black man.
All lives matter.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Because we're free. We walk the free. We walk in free of the country. We don't do nothing to nobody here. Yeah.
What do I talk about, man? Why are you calling us over here?
I want to talk about because you guys, what you doing? Where's the black people over there? Where's the black people?
Does it
Where's
matter?
the black people?
Why
It
does it
doesn't
matter?
matter. It matters
Okay,
a lot.
it matters to you. You're asking me.
And
Why
I'm
does
a
it matter?
free black man
Are
walking
you?
this free
You look like a
country.
puppet.
I'm
You look
free.
like a puppet to me, man.
Really?
Yeah, really.
You look like an elephant, but I don't really tell you
All
nobody
right.
shit.
Cool, man.
So pretty much is if you want to go out and start talking shit, I can talk shit too. I'm just being nice.
You were talking
I'm
shit from the
being nice.
beginning. I
I'm
watched you
being
yell
nice.
over here.
I am a free
All right.
black man
All right.
walking this free ass country.
All
The
right.
police ain't beat my ass.
You may be
The
free, but
police
your
ain't
mind
hung
is
me.
not.
The
Your mind
police
is
is not
trash.
making me pick up
Your
guns.
mind is
The
trash,
police ain't
brother.
making me go do the slave work. I'm not worried about it. I can walk the free to this country. I'm not getting slaved at all. I'm free. So what rights do you guys want?
Is
You
that
want
enough
the-
for you?
What rights do you
Enough for you
want?
is to
Yeah,
be able
that
to walk the
is enough
street
for
and
me.
not get
That
arrested
is
for
enough
nothing.
for me because
That's
I'm a
enough
free
for
black
you.
man
It's not
and
enough
I'm gonna
for me.
stay free.
Good.
You know what?
Stay free then.
Until you
You're
get
a little
hung,
free
until
bubble
a
right
police
here.
go out
You're
and
gonna
hung
fight
your
for
ass,
real fucking
then you
freedom.
can do something.
Yeah.
The police ain't hung you, then you need to leave it alone. Because the
No,
police is
not
doing their
me,
goddamn
but other
job.
people,
The
so you
police is doing
understand.
their job.
You understand
And
why
that's
we're
what I
out
like
here.
about it. As long as they're doing their job, I'm gonna
They're
make
doing
them
their
do
job by
I'm gonna
protecting
keep
people
them
who are
doing their
hanging
job. And you know
people.
what they're doing?
Yeah,
They're
right,
listening to
bitch.
me.
Right now.
They're
Why are you
listening to
yelling?
me.
Why
I
are you
can
yelling?
yell if I want
You
to.
calm down.
Nope.
You just talk.
I'm gon' yell. If you don't like it, step across the crosswalk.
Shit, motherfucker. I've been in prison.
Hey, hold up.
All day.
Check
He's
it out.
standing
So
there
what?
doing
I
this,
don't give
and
a
that's
fuck
all
about
we're
blackmail.
What time
It
is
don't
it?
matter if you're in prison or not.
What's
The
your
whole
fucking
time.
problem?
If you're in prison, big deal. Go
Why
back
do you have to
prison.
yell? Like
Because
this,
you
you
said
just
you
talk
were in
like a
prison.
fucking human being. You were going off on this lady.
I can
Right
do whatever
here.
I want. It's a free country.
Absolutely can.
So what do you have to
That's
say?
very
Why
true.
you coming over here? We should have done this
Very
across the
true.
street.
So what's
What do
your
you
fucking
want?
problem?
I want
What?
to see you face up.
There you go, bitch. There you go.
I'm
See
not
that?
a bitch and I'm not wearing a dress.
Well, you look
If I was
like
a
it to
bitch
me.
wearing a dress,
You look
like
like
look
it to
like a
me.
dude wearing a fucking dress.
Great, great.
So I wouldn't talk
Fucking
shit.
great. Maybe I
am a
am.
comedian.
Who the fuck are you? Who are you
I
to
am a
fucking define?
comedian. You want to go
Great.
out like that? We can do the comedian
Yeah,
talk
man,
if you want to
yeah,
do
man,
that.
You're the
real
homosexual
fucking
midget?
funny.
Finally
Real
came out of the
fucking
You're a
funny.
redneck
You
piece
look
of
like a
faggot.
fucking puppet.
So that's what you're trying to
Y'all are
do.
fucking
And
puppets.
it's a joke when I say it too. So if you want to make jokes, I can make jokes.
Did you hear what I just said?
Did you just hear what I said?
Actually, you didn't hear what I
This is
said.
just bullshit.
Did you hear
This
what I
is
said?
fake
about the
shit.
homosexual
He has
person?
nothing to fucking say.
Did you
All
hear
this
about the
over
black
here
guy?
for nothing.
He got away from the white person.
I'm
He
going.
got free.
I'm going. There's fucking
He's out. You
traffic.
hear about that? The black
And
person
you
is
know,
like, but hold
it's
up.
been a long
Really?
time of injustice.
Really?
man.
Really? Seriously? God damn, did you know that down in here? You can get a license to still kill a black person? Oh, wait a minute. A white guy does that shit, not a black guy. Holy fuck, what was that person? Hey, so what are you trying to say? The problem is,
Hey guys, clear the sidewalk. Let's go.
Clear the sidewalk, man. The problem is,
This is why we're
the
talking.
problem is you guys got problem with the police. I don't have no problem with the police. I would never have a problem with the police.
Okay.
I'm gonna do exactly what the police tell me to do. What big deal?
What's your fucking
I'm standing
problem?
on my side. And I'm over here. I'm black. I got one black people over here. What do you got black people over
With
here?
that being said, you're
Show
a
me
Cowboys
one
fan.
black people you got sitting in
That
that
being
crowd.
said, you're a Cowboys fan, but I'm a Dolphins fan, so there's that.
What's that got to do with this shit? Fuck that, man. I don't care about that.
Dude, it's a
I don't care about that. I'm mad about what you
point-
guys are doing.
What are we doing?
What are you doing?
We're
Okay,
peacefully
when you was in
protesting
Portland,
fucking
when you was
Seaside
in
Brewing.
Portland, what did you guys do in Portland? You guys
I
stalked
wasn't in
off.
Portland.
You guys
Why
stalked
are you
her.
labeling it me as Portland?
Because you're standing with the group that literally executed a man in the streets. You agree with that?
Actually,
Do
I'm
you agree with
not
that?
standing with that
Well, that's what you
group.
guys were representing over there.
Yeah, you guys are
Antifa.
representing. You guys want to
We're
try
not
to.
representing Antifa.
Really? You
We're
have some over
representing
there.
Seaside
You have some
Brewing
over there.
right
You
here.
know that?
We're representing Seaside Brewing.
What,
You guys
ready?
fucking
Okay,
were open
okay.
carry.
If you
That's
guys-
our right.
hold on, hold on,
That's
hold
our
on.
right.
Hold on.
Our family.
That's our right.
Okay,
You don't fucking know me.
Hey, whoa, hold on.
fucking Antifa.
Hey,
By
hey,
Antifa, I'm
hey,
gonna
I'm
label
a
you as
Christian, so
Antifa.
you gotta watch your mouth.
Really? We're related to Antifa. Those guys are Antifa? You want to go fucking walk down them and you want to ask them what fucking
You think they're
Antifa
gonna
is?
admit it, bro? They're out
They
there.
wouldn't fucking know what the fuck
But when are you
Antifa
guys
is.
going to get color over there? When are you guys going to
Tell
get
you
a black,
that right now.
When are you guys going to get a black person over there to stand with you guys?
Actually,
Oh, wait a minute.
I'll bring
there's
you,
not.
I'll bring you over to my fucking restaurant right now and I'll introduce
I
you.
want to see the
Hell yeah.
black
They're
people
not out on
in
the
your
street with
group.
you.
They're
They're
on
not
the
standing with
street.
you. They're in there.
Because he's
They're
fucking
on the
working.
Bring him out, bro. Keep getting mad, bro. You don't want
I'm
this fucking
sorry.
smoke.
I will calm down. Yes. Yeah, because
You've been drinking about once. I can smell your breath. You smell like alcohol.
Yeah.
So
what's
you've
your
been
right now?
drinking.
So,
And like I said, I'm a black belt. I'm black. And I got a belt on. So that's how much
and
black
you have
I
a
am.
black belt.
Yeah, I take the belt off.
pretty cool.
Yeah, with the belt because it's black.
So,
So have you ever been
You
beaten?
wanna whip
have you
my
ever
ass
been
with
beaten
belt?
by a extension cord? Have you ever been beaten by a extension cord?
Actually,
Bro,
I
have
have.
you ever been beaten by a fucking stick? Have you ever
Actually, I
been beaten
have.
by a goddamn wire?
Actually, I have.
You a damn lie.
No, I'm
You
not.
a damn lie. You know why
I'm
I
from
say that?
406.
I'm from Texas. I've been beaten. I've been snatched. I've been everything. And I still got up on my feet and I still looked at the man and gave that man a hug and a kiss and told him a good
So
job.
what are
You
you
know
setting up
what?
for?
I'm here.
What are you saying up for?
What I'm signing up for?
Yes, sir.
Save the whole wide world of all colors. Not just one color, all colors.
From what?
All colors. From all this bullshit.
So what bullshit?
You got a one black guy that got killed because he didn't do his fucking job what the police told him to do? Because he moved? Really? What about that one black guy who was on TV and the police told him to stop, stop, stop,
about the one
stop,
Native
and he
American
kept
guy?
on going.
What about
Because
the one
he
white
didn't
guy?
stop doing what the
about the one
police
Jewish
told him to
guy?
do. That's one twisted thing. If you
Shit
do what the
happens.
police tell you to do, it's going to stop.
That's a
But
gun
you
to
got
my head.
But you got to stop doing what you're doing. When the police tell you to stop, stop.
I think we should all stop what we're doing and get back together. That's the fucking point, man.
That's why we said all lives matter. Because all lives does matter.
I don't disagree with you.
All lives matter. If I cut yourself, what color you gonna bleed, man?
We had on that. It's our past.
I just talked to a guy. I talked to a guy earlier.
What's your name, man?
I know they are, but that's why we're just going constructive solutions. All these problems that people are eating up, you know, I could talk about Trump. He was a Democrat his whole life.
But he gave $100,000. But he gave $100,000 to the black community.
George Soros gave $107 million to build the hotel, and George Soros funds these people. Yeah, I have a black
black person out. Trump gave
Yeah, and so
$175,000
does the
to the
people.
black community.
So the
What are you
people
trying
decide
to
to still
protect?
run by the same money.
All of our
Okay.
rights.
So I got the same problems with
we
you guys
all-
as I
we
got
all
with them.
try
That's
to.
fine.
Yeah,
Because
we're
you
not
all
over there
want
hurting
what's
you
right
guys.
with your
We're trying to
heart,
hurt
which
Here's
is
the
all
fucking
government
thing,
that
man.
provides.
Again,
So instead
I'm
of fighting
labeled
over
as
these people
Antifa.
who are
I'm not
bought
fucking Antifa,
and
man.
pretending like they were
I'm a
innocent
chef
or
here,
whatever,
dude.
People
who
get
just
labeled.
lied to these
No.
people and they believe
I don't
it.
know. Whatever.
Instead of
I don't
that,
know, man.
we don't have to fight over what's
fucking
true or
human.
not.
There's
We're our
that.
past. We can talk about the future.
I'm fucking
and be
406
constructive.
militia.
Okay.
And so
311.
we start being
Fuck
constructive
off.
right now, they've got a problem.
There's
Because
that.
we're not divided
I
anymore.
will stand up for what's
We're
right
constructive.
for
And so when you
humanity.
talk about the past and this and this,
people's rights.
that's escalating. Because that's what,
I don't
because that's what we
care on
do.
either side.
I try to put a band-aid on everyone's wound so we can have a conversation. You rip
Oh,
that
actually,
Band-Aid
I
off.
have.
And so,
Damn right.
Damn right, bro.
I don't care what they do.
This is what I'm about. Don't take your motherfucking guns out. This is a fucking town geared towards vacation with kids, brother.
You good? This is my friend. I tell you what, this is a man. I don't care whose colors he flies right now. Okay, we talk. It ain't about, it's about our country right now. There's a lot of young men out there that they care. They see a different way to get to the same thing, and we got to start peeling that back so we can talk to our young men. It's my generation's fault, okay? And then it's the authorities who take their orders from politicians who don't care about any one of us. But we can stand here, Antifa and Patriots can stand together. We can do that. But this has to stop. That has to stop.
How about molesting kids? How about molesting your own kids?
Sir,
That have to stop.
What are you
Your
talking?
kids do not
Dude,
own
I don't
you.
even know who
Your
you
kids do
are.
not own you because
See,
you
dude,
molest kids, bro. Your own kids.
Who did I molest?
Your kids have messaged me about your molestation.
Oh yeah, I don't know who
Your
the
daughter
fuck you
told
are.
me. and
Take
you
your mask
and
off.
she told
Take your mask off.
Give me the 6 feet. Take it. You want it? There you go. I've talked to your daughter. She told me your sons don't talk either.
I can make up
Dude, all kinds of shit's made up about me. I'm not saying
Okay,
shit.
so I'm not saying shit. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to
No,
cut
I'm
you,
just asking
but I'm
you.
not saying ever said
Are
shit
you
about
saying
you. I don't
no?
know who the fuck you are.
Hey, I'm just asking. Do you have anything to say? You didn't do that?
That's the most disgusting question you can ask a man.
Then you did not do that.
What the fuck, dude? That's disgusting.
Look, if my kids told you that, I'd be expecting you to say the same thing to me.
Go to the cops and talk.
This is bad.
I wouldn't. I
This
wouldn't.
is not going to go anywhere good. We got to separate.
If my kid said that to you, I'd expect it.
If my kid said that to you, I'd expect the same thing, dude. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. I would expect the same shit from you if that kid said that about me. That's all I'm saying. And all I'm saying to all y'all, quit carrying open in a vacation town. Go fucking picket in Astoria or fucking Canada Beach. Kids come here. There's arcades. There's fucking videos. There's all kinds of shit. Why do you gotta do it here? Why? What's your point? What the fuck is your point? Does anybody got an answer to that? Why do you gotta have a gun on your hip?
It's my God-given right, bud.
Cool, why?
I haven't done a felony. I
Where you
deserve this
from?
right to carry a
Where you
firearm.
from?
Huh?
Where do you live?
That's none of your goddamn
Okay.
business where I live, bro.
What town? Not Clatsop.
Hey, I haven't touched it. It's in a holster. It's safe. I can put it on the ground. It won't hurt you. It's okay, Snowflake. Calm down. It's okay. It ain't gonna hurt you.
I love guns, but I see
Hey,
that
one of your
also
people
not
executed one of our brothers in the street. So we don't know what you fucking unstable
What
people
about
know, bro.
you don't even know who we are, dude.
Yeah, well, you represent Antifa, bro.
She comes down here because her man is a soy boy, so she comes down here for testosterone. Her man threatens to harvest patriots. You know what? You're quit being a schizophrenic and decide when you put me up and take me. We love Seaside. 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 We love Seaside.
Y'all some funny people.
We love Seaside. Do you love Seaside? Yay! We love Seaside! We love Seaside! We love Seaside! All of us!
Here we go, unity.
We love Seaside! We love Seaside! We love Seaside! We love Seaside! At least he's smiling. You're smiling. I appreciate that. We love Seaside! 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 I don't want to be on
Would you
film
stop?
anymore. Yo, you know, get out of my face.
I'm not in your face. You're coming near me. Stop. 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 Please.
We love Seaside! We love Seaside! We love Seaside! We love Seaside!
What do you love about Seaside?
What's going on right now, this is America in Seaside. We are different people expressing different views, and everyone is doing it in a peaceful, respectful manner. That is amazing. You don't ever have to agree with me, and vice versa.
No, I agree. I love it when things can be peaceful. It's better than it's better than the violence. It's better than people attacking people because of their opinions. We need civil discourse.
What's happening here is great, and, I appreciate you guys being as cool as you've been, and everything's going good. So, America, good job.
Thank you. My name's Andrew Duncan.
My name's Tom. Nice
to meet you too. What brings you out here today?
I'm part of the silent majority. I was a keyboard warrior for years because my views were considered inhumane or racist. Even though all I said was that all lives matter. Because I think all American lives matter, not just black, not just white, not just brown. American lives. Because when you come here, you're American. And that straight up makes your life matter. Everything. And so I heard that this was coming on today, and I thought, you know what? I'm tired of just being behind a keyboard, and I want to go out and show my support. So I put my red shirt on because I'm Republican. Got my old Glory because she's amazing and what everything she stands for. And also, if she looked raggedy, I'd still be very mighty proud of that raggedy old flag. You know, there's a song by what's his name? He does Ring of Fire.
Johnny Cash?
Johnny Cash. He made a song called Raggedy Old Flag, and I suggest people listen to it, and it will bring a tear to your eye, because even though it was made way back, I think in the 80s, it still amounts to today. When you look at him, when you look at Old Glory, and you know what she's been through, you know, any flag in the world, this is one that you can all come together under because it requires freedom and your rights. Which they don't seem to understand what we have because they think they're oppressed, yet if they vote the wrong way, we will be oppressed. And then they'll probably complain about it, that they're oppressed, but then we're going to look at them and say, well, we told you so. And it's also funny, too, how they say they're anti-fascist, yet they act exactly just like fascists. Instead of calling them Antifos, just start calling them black shirts. But that's my point of view. Like brown shirts, you know, because they act just like Nazis, Hitler's brown shirts. But yeah, that's why I'm here. I'm tired of being the silent majority. I want to make my voice heard.
Do you live here in Seaside?
Yep.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I'll bring you guys out here.
Well, just the right to bear arms, the right to be an American, and all the liberties and rights we have now. We just want to stand up for them and let all these people over here, we love them and we just want to enlighten them.
Freedom, Constitution, Donald Trump 2020.
What do you like about Donald Trump?
He does everything we need. He speaks up for us. He's cleaning out the swamp. Yep, he's draining the swamp, so we need him.
We vote for not just Donald Trump, but our First Amendment, our Second Amendment, all the amendments, the Constitution, the freedom and the rights of everybody. It doesn't matter what your color, your culture. This is America. We all come from everywhere, and we're all brothers in Christ.
Awesome.
Amen.
Thank you.